Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to increase your Evo level in PUBG. Evo level in PUBG increases as you gain experience by actively playing specific game modes and performing well in matches. Focusing on the right modes and gameplay strategies can help you level up faster. To begin, open PUBG and tap on the map selection screen. From here, go to Unranked and then select Arenas. In this section, you will find arena modes such as Team Deathmatch, Arena Training, Ultimate Arena, Gun Mode, and other fast-paced modes. These modes are great for earning experience quickly. While playing, focus on getting more kills and winning matches, as better results help your Evo level increase faster. PUBG also frequently offers missions and challenges that reward extra experience points, so completing them can speed up your progress. You can also check your inventory for any available XP boosts. Go to Inventory, click on the XP boost icon, and if you have one available, activate it before playing arena mode to gain more XP per match. Additionally, surviving longer in matches helps you earn more weapon XP, which contributes to overall Evo level progression. And that's it. We just learned how to increase Evo level in PUBG by playing arena modes, completing missions, using XP boosts, and improving your match performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.